This is all about quick tip, copying pipe attributes. Now, let's say for instance, we want to copy. These are duplicate. The whole of this pipe, these four pipes, one, two, three, four. They're of the same system. Now, we want to. This is supposed to be size. Okay, this okay, steel schedule 40. The size, I need to change the size. The size is supposed to be 3-inch pipe. Save. Then I needed to add a control valve. That is a flow control valve. 120 US Gallon per minute. Now this is US gallon per minute. 120. Say okay. Then we needed to add. Now you can add it from this point. You can also add it from here. So I needed to add a component. I select here, come to this point, to this pipe, select. Then I will call the component AHU, which is air handling unit. Let me call it air handling unit 3.1. Then the component type is curve losses. Now, for curve losses, so here is US gallon per minute, here is feet. So now this is 0, this one is 50, this is 4.3, this is 100. This should be, let me say this is 15.5. Then here is 150. This one is 32.8. Now I'll just say okay. Now we have added this whole thing to the system. So now what I will now do next is, having done this, I will now select. Now just select this pipe. If I select this pipe, I will right click and select set as default, or I come here more, select set as default. If I say set as default, say yes. Then now the next thing I will do is I will select this button. This button is to select individual pipe and nodes used for group update. So now I will now select this, and this pipe. That is pipe 18, 17, and 16. Then next thing, what I will do now, I will just come to this place, select this button, which is set pipe default drawing value. So I'll click it. Now, if you check, those three pipes are selected, 16, 17, 18. Then I will now come here, click copy all pipe values. I'll just click it. Say okay. Yes, so the whole thing is now changed. I can even decide to, okay, I can decide to also select this, since maybe, let's say now the length of the pipe, let's say the length of the pipe for these two, let me say for instance that two is supposed to be um the length of that pipe is supposed to be like um these two pipes supposed to be like 30, 40, 40. So I'll just select this, then click here, change the length to 40 feet. Then look at this copy length. So I'll just click here. Only that one will change. This is 40 now. So now I can also now unselect this, then select this with this icon, this button icon. Then now I'll come here, select this pipe. Now I need this to be 13. I'll just click copy pipe length. Click OK. So yes, so this the whole thing is starting now. Now, having done that, I will either right click, then I'll come here, select pipe, there is add pipe, then I'll draw a line from here. So let's say here, say here. So now you see this is still default. So now what I will do, I will select here, right click, set this as default because I don't want this same default information to be here. So I will set this as default. Then click this, select this, then change, say copy, click OK. Now the whole thing is changed now. So now this is a straight line, a straight pipe without fittings is now default, which is this length of pipe. Now I also needed to create more of this. I needed to create more of these fittings, this kind of arrangement, this kind of assembling down here. So what I will do now to do that, I will just select this. Okay, let me select this, then select this. So I will select this isometric because I am in isometric, I'm not in rectangular. So I'm in isometric. I will select the isometric. So I will come here, I will select here, come here, select the whole of this. So this is another way of copying the attribute. So what I'll do, I'll just click this copy button, copy button, I'll now click paste. So it's a duplicate here now. So what I'll do, I will now move, click to move, then I'll say reposition selected item. I'll just click yes. I will now move it to this point. Now click outside this. I will now say attach. Say yes. It has attached to this point. So now that is it. That is just the way to generate more of these pipe attributes. Now I will now complete from here to here. Now the next thing I will do, now is I will also copy this because this whole thing is supposed to also be duplicated down there. So I will just draw a line from here down to here. Now I will just come here, select the whole of this, then okay, there's no need to even copy because I've already copied it. I will just say paste. So it's here. I will just move it to this point, attach. So yes, so that is it. So now we have just created 3 layers of this. Now I can now draw a line from here to here. Now, this length of pipe supposed to be the same with this, and this. So, for me, what I needed to do now to be able to make that changes so that it will be the same, I will just come here, edit this. I'll select this, then change the length. The length is supposed to be 10. Then the size of the pipe supposed to be the size of the pipe supposed to be 6 inches. So I'll select this 6 inches pipe. I'll just select this 6 inches pipe. Now come here, transfer selected size. I just select it, click save. Now I've changed everything. I've changed it now. So having done that, I will either right click, select set as default, or I come here to more, click save as default. So yes. Then now I will not select this button, select this, select this, and this other side is supposed to be also be the same thing. So now, so we are copying the attribute of that pipe. So now here, so supposed to be all of them supposed to be the same. So now I will now click here, just say copy. I will just click this, copy all pipe data. So click copy all pipe data, click OK. Yes. So now it's done. So now if you look at this, now it's 10 feet 6 inches and all that, so that it has changed. So now thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and do well to hit the notification bell. Thank you.